Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ipsy. This is the bag this month. It says self-love is the best love. A cute little heart on top. So the first item I have, this is an intense liquid eyeliner in the shade Americano. So it's a dark brown. Shows you the different colors there on the side. Haven't used this brand, but can always use eyeliner, so happy to have that. Also have long-lasting vegan lip stain. Let's see what shade it is. That's pretty. It's called Latte. Also have from Clinique an All About Clean liquid facial soap. Definitely use that. Oh, I love this stuff. The Watermelon Dew All Over Serum by Tony Moly. Stuff smells really good, has a real light coverage, doesn't like clog my pores. That stuff's really awesome. Happy to have that because I don't have any more. Ran out a long time ago. We have a Wing Me Eyeshadow Duo. Those are very pretty shades. One matte, one shimmery. Very cute. And it did come with a card this month that does show the products. They don't always show the products, but this time it did. So you can find more information about them on there. If you guys would like to join Ipsy, I will leave my link below and a playlist if you want to see more unbaggings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.